Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. I'm gonna have to make this video short and sweet because it is lightning and thundering out, and I want to get the video done because we just got it detailed. This, my friends, is I lost the keys. Hopefully I brought the key. What the hell did I just do? Oh dear God. All right, I lost the keys. Where the hell are the keys? Oh, I put them in the wrong pocket that I'm not used to because I saw thunder. I'm scared of thunder. It's like Thunder Bunnies when that Mark Wahlberg in the teddy bear movie. 2000, guys, you're looking at a 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 4.8 liter LS two-wheel drive, South Carolina truck, traded in. It's got a Fabtech, I want to say. Yes, Fabtech suspension lift kit system on a set of 35s. These are a Ironman all-country mud terrain tire. They're a 35, 12, 50, 17-inch with some Raceline wheels on them. Nice truck, clear corner headlights, billet grill. Like I said, the wheels are nice. Not too big, not too crazy. Frame's in great shape. Obviously, it's a South Carolina truck, no rust. There's the underside right there. Everything's intact. Torsion bars and everything. All the kit is Fabtech. Sticker still on the frame. Interior is absolutely gorgeous. No issues. Miles, 151,247 maintained miles. Doubled in Pioneer. Good year. WeatherTech floor mats. Everything's good. So if you guys have any questions about this, and it's got an exhaust system on it too. You want to hear it? Yes, of course you do. Put the key in the wrong pocket again. So let's see. Start it up. Sounds good. Listen. So sounds good. It's got a system in the rear. We'll pump the hatch. Show you guys what's going on. Just got a Virginia State inspection, oil change, everything up to par, everything's good. Buyer's guide, yeah, thing right there. Kicker sound system with amps under the seat. And it's a nice little get around truck, it really is. Super, super sweet and reliable. So there's the Alpines under the seat, twin Alpines right there. Rear HVAC. And pop the hood, show you guys the power plant. Oh yeah, it's kind of lightning and thunder. We should probably get out of here. Automatic windows. I don't like thunder and lightning. Vortec, Can-Am air filter, cold air intake system. Everything's great. So if you guys have any questions, I'm gonna get out of here because it's lightning and thunder. Visit the website, superiorwholesale.org, or call 540-898-3025. This is Mark with the 2003 Tahoe. Lifted. 35. See ya.